Hello friends, good morning. Today we will be talking of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Friends, it is a PSU. It's a government company which was actually established in 1934. Now this Mazagon Docks and other defense sector companies, they have gained momentum because of the government India policy that the spare parts have to be manufactured in India and there has to be a technology transfer. So today I have taken this stock, Mazagon Docks. Fine. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders is formerly called Mazagon Dock Limited, is a shipyard situated in Mazagon, Mumbai. Now see here, it manufactures warships, submarines for the Indian Navy and offshore platforms associated with support vessels for offshore oil drilling. That means it manufactures warships, submarines and the support vessels for oil drilling, that is for the oil industry also. Friends, because this is a government company, therefore there is no question of any loss into this. It is not a loss making company. And first of all, we see what is before investing we always see fundamentals, because some of the government companies are also not doing very good. So for the last 3 years, if you see, this is the net profit has gone from 408 crores to 586 crores. Last 3 years operating profit has gone from 258 or 259 crores to 435 crores. So this is basically a profit making company, number one, and then it has got extremely bright future for the long term investment. Why I say long term investment? It is because very recently government has set aside 70,000 crore rupees for the defense sector. Now that means government is giving push to the defense sector, and recently what has happened is that government made India policy. Recently government has collaborated with Germany for submarine manufacturing in India. Now whatever submarine is will be manufactured, they will be manufactured in India, spare parts will be manufactured in India and technology transfer will be from the Germany. Now what government says is that at least 80% of the spare parts will be manufactured in India, technology transfer full. And as it is, government has given some 6-7 submarine orders to Germany, and I think our Prime Minister is in France. He will give some orders of submarines there, because France also wanted submarines to be manufactured along with the technology transfer from India. Friends, just let us check what is the actual position of Mazagon Docks as of now. Now if you really see, this is Mazagon Dock. Now in 1 year it has given a whooping returns of 130%. Now say it was 575 rupees exactly a year back from today, and it is 1288 today. Fine. So the 1 year return is 130%, and mind my words, by the time we close with the next year, it will go minimum 100%. Why? Because now the action on submarine will take place. Net profit margin is approximately 14% and the face value is 10 rupees. I tell you, this is something very fantastic. I so believe that this 130% will go much higher. The story does not end here only. The story is that the dividend, see, if you see 21 and 22, in 21 it has given 3 dividends in February, June and December, and if you calculate, this is more than say 8 और 4 12 और 1 13, 7 5 12 और 1 13 और 1 12, that means 143%. On 10 rupees it has given 14 rupees dividend, whatever number of shares you have. So friends, actually I say this is nothing but a very, very fantastic situation for Mazagon Dock. and this I have taken, the daily chart. So daily chart today, actually this is little declining. Nevertheless, we always say that first we see the weekly charts, whether it is at present it is worth buying or not. Fine. Now, but one thing, friends, you can see here, here also you can see, I will just point it out like this. On the long term it is on the uptrend, and on the short term also this is on the uptrend. So till 1150 actually you need not bother, it will go up. In any case, friends, because this is a long term safe investment, so all the traders can very safely do swing trading swing trading and or the long term investment. Now by chance if the share comes down for the swing traders, eventually it will go up. And here we see it on the weekly charts. Weekly chart is clear up. Somewhere around 800, 750, 770 it had given a buy signal, and it is continuing, 1288. So this is the defense stock, long term investment plus swing swing trading for those of you who enjoy swing trading, and it is a highly profitable company. My own assumption is that we must keep this for minimum say 5 years or 10 years or 15 years and take a review every 5 years what is happening. Friends, one thing is very definite, because it is PSU, so the dividends will be very high, number one. And in next 5 years this stock could go anywhere. I just would not be able to predict because the initial manufacture of submarines and other warships has to take place as yet. But nevertheless, operating profit is high, net profit is high, so anything can happen. And believe me, if net profit is 14%, even 2 and 3% of increase in the net profit will push this share above 2,500 rupees. Now you can take the consent of your broker and make the strategy yourself, friends. Basically, as far as I am concerned, I believe in swing trading, and I am happy with the swing trading. So friends, thank you very much. Check with your broker what do you want to do with this, and if you think you can keep it for 15 years, 20 years, I think this could be the best bet for long term investment. Money plus appreciation of the price. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.